and reclaim a good night's sleep with the VitalSleep Anti-Snoring Mouthpiece. How to treat snoring, you ask? VitalSleep helps relieve snoring by holding the lower jaw forward, keeping your airway open. You'll experience increased airflow and quiet breathing. VitalSleep is adjustable and moldable to comfortably fit any user. It's easy to use and allows you to sleep normally in any position. Without surgery or weird anti-snoring contraptions, you and your partner can experience deep, restorative sleep naturally. It's proudly made in the USA and it's FDA cleared. Try VitalSleep now, risk-free with its 1-year warranty.